Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learn Funda, and today's topic is of Y to delta conversions. First of all, let's know what is a Y network and what is a delta network. Initially, Y network. Y network is a network in which the three resistors are connected in the form of Y, and this is also called as star network or T network. And briefly, Y network in the sense, in a network, if the network is connected in the form of T or in the form of Y, this is called as Y network. And we can also say that can be called as a star network or a T network. And coming to the delta network, the network in which the three resistors are connected in the form of delta or in the form of pi. And this delta network is also called as pi network. These are the Y networks and these are the delta networks. Now let's see the conversions of delta to Y network. And here let's consider this delta. First of all, for delta to Y conversion, let's consider this delta network and these Y networks. And the delta networks, by naming them as RA, RB, and this is as RC. And now we have to convert this delta network to the Y network. Means by considering only this network, while we are converting this to this, for example, assume we have to convert this network to like this. Okay. And name them as R1, R2 and R3. First of all, when you have to find R1, the formula will be R1 is equal to RA, RB by RA plus RB plus RC. See, we have to find this. The opposite of these two, the multiplication of these two resistors is equal to this. We are not considering the opposite side resistor. You have to remember this logic. And next, R2 equal to what you can write? RB into RC by RA plus RB plus RC. And in the same way, R3 equal to, it is here, and the two opposite side resistors are RA and RC by, and sum of all the resistors RA plus RB plus RC. This is a conversion of delta to Y network. And this is the Y to delta conversion. And to convert from Y network to delta network, first of all, considering this Y network here, and assume for your convenience like this. And then name them as RA, RB and RC. We have to convert the Y network to delta network. For that, to find RA is equal to, the formula is R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1 by, and this network and this resistor, what we have, and the denominator is the value of resistor which is opposite to the side of RA, that is nothing but R2, because this R1 and R3 are adjacent to RA and or else connected to RA. But the only resistor that is not directly connected to RA is R2. So we have to write the resistor R2 here. And next, the formula for RB is R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1 by, and here the resistor R3 is not connected to the RB. So the write the resistor R3. And next, coming to the RC, here R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1 by, and here the opposite resistor but the RC is R1. And these are the formulas for the conversion of Y to delta. And thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's catch up in the next video.